So here's how it works. If you've got a cloudy window, what we'll do is we'll drill two very small holes on the outside pane, 1/8 inch in circumference, and one on the outside top panel, one on the bottom panel on the opposite corner. Then we do a variety of pressurized solutions inserted through pressurized nozzles that actually sheet down the glass on both sides of the inside panes, and we'll put a cleaning solution, a rinsing solution, and finally a moisture evacuation agent. Then at the end of the process, the glass will be covered with micro vents. The holes are covered up by these micro vents. What these do is they essentially create a permanent vent for the window. So the R value is restored, so now you have a window that can breathe and no longer will trap moisture inside of it. So we put a vent over the top hole and we put a vent over the bottom hole. The moisture solutions will dry out the window over a period of about 2 to 3 weeks.
This had a typical graffiti tag had some chipping in the glass itself. With our system, it only took us 5 minutes to get out, 5 to 8 minutes to get all that damage out. This is the finished result. As you can see, there's no marks left on the glass. Straight lines, no distortion whatsoever, all straight lines. Have a look, perfectly straight.